Handan Haosheng Fastener Co., Limited, founded in 1996, is a large and professional manufacturer of high-strength fastener. Our factory located in Hebei Province, China, covers an area of 20,000 square meters. Main product standards: Germany Standard, DIN, the US Standard, ANSI, or ASME, British Standard, BS, China National Standard, GB, and other international standards. And the grade include 8.8, 10.9, 12.9. Our quality control system has passed ISO 9001:2008 certification. With a full range of advanced fastener testing equipment and several experienced engineers and quality controllers, the product quality is ensured effectively controlled in the whole production process.